Question, what if? What if?
The life struggle you.
Yes.
If the life struggle you, struggle yourself. Do not be brother and sister you. Be careful with the heart. Onyok, be strong together. I know your love is truly love for him.
Yawa, George Manday. Him. Kasi mo yamnyok ba? Hilak eh.
But for the true of me, I will say to you that the love for you is another. Because Onyok, the love is very strong. You cannot fight each other love. The way you fight love, the way you hurt yourself. Because please, be careful with my heart. The thing, listen to me. The thing you hurt the most is the love the most to other to you.
What if there is the third party?
If there is the third party to your love,
Party.
do not be afraid. Today is party in Apasuan. Join the party. Do the party yourself. Do not think the love that you are give to her. Because to her, the love to him is not to you. Do not lose hope. You fortune yourself. Before Marlboro first. That's all, thank you. The advice is not good enough.